Kemuu is a manufacturer specializing in smart locks, furniture locks, and secure storage solutions for global markets. With a strong focus on innovation and reliability, we provide a wide range of products, including smart door locks, cabinet locks, drawer lock, safe box, key box, access control, catering to both residential and commercial applications. As a full-service OEM and ODM supplier, we combine in-house R&D, advanced manufacturing, and strict quality control to deliver customized locking solutions tailored to your brand's needs. Our dedicated engineering team continuously develops cutting-edge technologies, ensuring our products meet international standards for security, durability, and smart functionality. Our smart locks undergo stringent temperature testing across extreme climate conditions. Additionally, we conduct accelerated lifespan testing simulating 10+ years of daily usage, with each component rigorously evaluated. In our product testing process, we implement rigorous quality inspections to ensure the standards are met. This commitment enables us to deliver safe, reliable, and cost-competitive products that consistently comply with industry requirements. Whether you require smart locks for residential, commercial applications, or specialized furniture security systems, our vertically integrated manufacturing capabilities allow us to provide complete turnkey solutions for distributors, wholesalers, and brands worldwide. From precision components to final assembly, our factory applies careful oversight. This disciplined approach ensures reliable, stable products that meet industry standards. Kemuu focuses on the overseas market, with a sales network spanning more than 40 countries and regions. Long-term customer satisfaction proves the company's innovative technology, outstanding product features, and comprehensive customer service. We sincerely invite businesses and individuals from around the world to engage in discussions for mutual success.